Hi friends, I am Sonali. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see how to display date and time in Java. Now let's start the program. Now see here, first of all I will import package import java dot text dot simple date format, then semicolon. Then second package I will import java dot util dot date, then semicolon. Then I will create public class current date time now I am writing a main method inside this class. Public static void main in bracket string args in that now I am creating an object simple date format sdf is equal to new simple date format in bracket day dd month m then year y then hour h then minutes mm then second ss then semicolon. Now I will create object date is equal to new date in bracket close semicolon. Now I am printing message system dot out dot print ln in bracket sdf dot format in bracket date then semicolon. Now we will run this program and check output. Now see here, today's date is 29 day 29 month 7 year 2020 hour 7 minute 33 and second 8. Okay, I hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.